Guys, welcome back here again. Today is Vlogmas day 4. Yeah! So today, guys, we are going to do Mishamela. You get it, guys. So it says, what do we need?
We have our flour,
okay,
which is farina.
Okay.
For the quantity I need just 4 spoons.
Okay.
Okay, perfect. Then we mix with
Milk. Okay.
It depends the ones that you want, but we are using this one. So you mix with it. You put more inside. Forgive my manners, but I'll use my hand because we are eating
don't
it
worry.
I'm going to wash my hands.
Don't worry, sis.
Okay, perfect.
Guys, so this is for lasagna. We are going to make lasagna today. Today's vlogmas is how to do lasagna. I don't know how to do it, and since my sister knows how to do it and I wanted to learn it, like, she waits for me to go to work with 10 and then she has started. She's so kind to make me learn. So yeah, this is what we are doing. Mishamela. Okay, Mishamela.
Okay, so if you have like anything you can use, because I'm not doing it for anybody, it's just for the house, so I prefer using it.
Okay, perfect.
So you can use anything you want, like you are preferring cocoa. You can use people.
Porridge, yeah.
Exactly. So I'm doing it like this, for it to become smooth. Then I'll add the rest of the milk.
Okay.
Almost done.
You have to mix it very well, guys.
Yes.
You have to mix it very well.
Like doing it like this, you get the smooth milk. It will be very smooth.
Okay.
I think it's 6 days. You can get it perfectly because I'm using the machine.
Yeah.
I didn't want it to take the machine and wash it. After hard work, we are all tired.
Yeah.
So we are doing it in African way, in our own way. So we have our full milk.
Okay. Okay. So guys, I hope you guys are watching the process very well. And also, I don't know if you guys remember, yesterday I made a video, I posted it about Italian sauce. We are going to use that Italian sauce. If you've not watched it, guys, I'm going to add it here. Like, when you are watching the video and you look at your left side or right side, you see a card appearing there, and it will be there.
Okay, I'll put a bit of this. Okay,
Nutmeg. Okay.
Which is a bit. Not much. Okay.
I think half spoon.
Spoon will be okay.
Okay, half spoon.
Because I'm not putting salt. I prefer not to put salt. So that's the reason why I'm putting this one.
Okay.
Okay, so we are going to do it. You will see it after the way it will come.
Okay, guys.
Perfect.
Are you going to add anything? Because
I will show it after. That's
okay.
That's after.
So guys, when you've mixed everything, your flour, your milk, and nutmeg, you have to put it on fire and keep on stirring. We are doing gym at the same time. Keep on stirring till it will become, when it become how we want it, guys, I will show you. Okay, guys. Guys, the consistency of your bechamel, I don't even know how to say the name. Have to be like this, guys. You see, it has to be thick. And now we are going to add margarine.
But
yeah,
in Italian is
burro,
which is
the hard one.
This one,
The hard one. I will find it in English and write it there for you guys. Okay.
Okay, so we have to turn off the stove.
Okay.
So you put not very big, okay, because it's fat.
Okay.
Just put small inside.
Okay.
The fire is already off. Everything
Like everything will melt, right?
melt inside.
Okay.
Because it's already hot.
Okay.
Awesome.
Perfect.
So we are almost done.
You mix everything, guys.
Everything together.
Yeah. So guys, I forgot to tell you that since the bechamel was too small, my sister added 4 tablespoons of flour and 1 liter of milk. So in total it is 2 liters of milk and 8 spoons of flour. Yes, to make the bechamel more. Okay guys, so for the lasagna we are going to use sausage Worcester, but it's optional. Okay, you don't have to use it. If you want, you can use it. If not, it's up to you. Then we have this, I don't even know the name, guys. In Italian it's called pasta sfoglia. Pasta sfoglia.
Is the pasta you need
For the lasagna.
do it on your own.
Okay, then we have cheese, formaggio. Okay, we have our bechamel, and then the sauce that we did yesterday. Okay, ragu. Yeah. After 1 hour, this is how it becomes. Yeah. Okay, guys. So we are going to start with the sauce. Okay, the ragu. This is how you do lasagna. We are going to learn how to do lasagna today. So you start with the ragu, then you add the bechamel. Okay, you mix the sauce and the bechamel. Guys, sorry. I'll learn how to say it. Yeah. Okay,
So you
and
put your pasta inside.
Okay. Okay, then another sauce. The white thing, bechamel.
Don't worry, she will learn how to
Bechamel.
You can even find it at the supermarket already made.
Already made. Okay.
I prefer doing it on
At least we know the ingredients that we use to do it, right? You mix everything like first. You add a little bit of sauce if it's not okay. You spread it. we are going to add the the sausage. It's optional, guys. I repeat it, it's optional. You can use it, you can choose not to use it. Now we are going to add the cheese, formaggio. Guys, you all have to know that I'm not a cooking channel, so my video won't be perfect like all those fantastic cooking channels out there. I'm just like showing you guys what I'm doing daily by daily with the help of my sister. So after the cheese, we are going to add another pasta, sfoglia. Okay, we are going to add the sauce. We are going to add the bechamel. Grazie. Okay, then the sausage, yeah. Then the cheese. Say cheese. Take a bit. Okay, guys, and we'll continue like this till the pan is full, right? Okay, guys, so when it's full, I'll show you guys. Okay, I don't want the video to be too long. So guys, this is the outcome of the lasagna. So sauce, bechamel, you mix everything, then you start putting your pasta on it. Then you put another sauce, bechamel, you mix everything. Sausage optional, and then you put your cheese on it, formaggio. Okay guys, so this is it. Isn't it looking yummy? Even though it's still not ready to eat, because now you're going to put it inside the oven. So guys, we've on the oven. Okay, it's on 250, right, sis?
No, just to heat it.
Just to heat it.
Lower it, if not the oven. I will put at 180.
Okay, 180. You have to put at 180 40 minutes. Okay. So guys, you've heard for your ears, so wasum, wonderful, wasum. You have to put it on up and down here, then 40 minutes. Okay, and you have to put it at 180. It will be somewhere here, even though you're not going to see it, will be somewhere here. Okay guys, so when it's ready, I'll come back to show you how yummy this lasagna is. Okay, when it's ready, we are going to see the outcome.
One hour later.
Guys, so the lasagna is done. Yeah, but we are going to still keep it in the oven and we will remove everything tomorrow if God permits. Yeah, so it is done, looking yummy. It's done. I would like you to be here to eat it with me. But then you can when you been Kenya, so 9 in the. Don't worry, post me your address and I'll send some to you, okay guys? So this is for today's Vlogmas, and so see you tomorrow, okay guys? Have a blessed evening, morning, afternoon, wherever you are, okay? Know that I love you all, and bye. Bye.
Remember when Bronya was different. No crap, me and Candy, Mrs.